everyone. I'm at the Phelon Moore Motors booth here at EICMA 2025. I'll go through each bike here and take a look. Start off with the Brighton Roadster. Says it's a 550cc. Comes in black or red. Last year, I took a look at these bikes and I was pretty impressed. Actually, some good fit and finish on these bikes. It's like a Scrambler version. Scrambler. Okay, let's walk through and take a look at some of the other bikes they have. Here is a Panther, traditional cruiser style. V-twin. Liquid cooled 578cc. And again in silver without some accessories. Looks like they also have some scooters, 125cc. They call this thing the Panthète X. Okay, let's swing around to the front. Beautiful Pininfarina car. Okay, here's their adventure bikes. Cape Town 7S. These are, I think they're 698cc. 693cc. That's what the display looks like. And they call this a Cape Town X7X. Looks like it's got a little bit of rally type stuff with the engine guard and the hand guards. And then in the green, looks like pretty original old bike here. And that's it for their booth. All right, guys, thanks for watching and taking a look at these bikes. And Phelon Moore booth.